how to print alphabet right angle triangle pattern. So let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern, the triangle is aligned in left side. The numbers of alphabets are gradually decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here, along with every alphabet, a space character is appended. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Here, declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. So print the result, print character. Here the alphabet begins from A. 65 is the ASCII value for A plus I appended with a single space character, and in the first line there are 5A, so 5 minus I is going to give 5A, then 4B, then 3C, 2D and 1E. So execute this file py_triangle.py. This is our expected right angle alphabet triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet right angle triangle pattern.